it's Brooke with WTI. We've been trying to eat at home a lot more and spend less on groceries, and rice has been a big staple for that. So I've been buying the big bag of rice, but for some reason, even though it's resealable, I cannot get it to stay closed. But I have finally found the solution. It is this You Miss 25-pound rice dispenser. My favorite part is that it comes with this 2-cup measuring cup that you can also soak your rice in, and it has the strainer on it so you can drain it in the same bowl. Another great thing about it is that it has this window so you can see when your rice is getting low if you need to order some more. It also came with these really convenient non-slip, non-scratch pads for the bottom so you don't have to worry about it moving around too much or scratching your countertops. I also love the speed that the rice comes out. It's not too fast and not too slow. I love how convenient this rice dispenser is, that it saves me dishes and time, and I do not have to worry about it going stale. But that's just my point of view.